Is the SUPCASE UB grip case going to be worth it for the Z TriFold? Let's find out. So when it comes to the overall build of the case, it is going to be more rugged, but it does have a nice hard back, so it's going to be great for shock absorption. You also do have reinforced bumpers on each corner of the case as well, so if you drop it on the sides or maybe on the corners, you're going to have even more shock absorption too. It also does have a flexible hinge piece, which is going to offer more protection to that hinge area on the phone, and it also does have a little bit more grip, so you can see you have that pattern that you can work your fingers into, so you have more grip when holding your phone too. It is also a full body case, so you have two screen protectors here. One's going to be a privacy one, and then one is going to be a regular HD one. Each side on these screen protectors though does have a nice sticky adhesive, so it's going to be more secure when you actually put it on your screen. And they also do give you extras that you can put on as well, just in case the others get ruined or they lose their stickiness. There's also a MagSafe ring on the back, which you can flip out. You get your vertical viewing and also your horizontal viewing. And since the phone does have 3 screens, the hinge does lock into place, so if you want to get a big horizontal view or a wider vertical view, you can also do that too, and actually flip out your phone and get wider views. It does have a nice strong MagSafe hold as well, and it's going to be compatible with all your MagSafe accessories. Overall though, would definitely recommend this case for the Z TriFold. It has everything you need when it comes to protection, but it's also a very convenient case. I also like how you do get 2 screen protectors, so you have the option of which one you want to use. I've used and reviewed the UB grip before for other models, and I actually love it. So yeah, definitely would recommend this case if you do have the Z TriFold.